Yeah, sorta.
Oh, look at the Weimaraner. He's so excited.
Not pretty though. Really?
There we go.
Oh yeah, that's a good one. Wait, so you put the ball up there? That's
Did you get that? So I was told that this
That's unreal.
No one's gonna stop her. She'll let him climb trees.
it's my dog.
That's unreal.
What is he chasing after?
Her ball.
That's
I put her
unreal.
ball up there.
That's like I can't even.
So when she starts to get too stressed out, I take it away from her. And then she does
Wait.
this and the tires are out. And then we can wait.
She's climbing a tree. What do you call stressed out?
This is hilarious.
I know. This is talent. And I'm getting it.
Like,
Some-
what kind of dog is that?
Who knows?
So she's a mud.
I call mine a bits
definitely
of
from
this,
Monkey.
bits of that.
Yeah, well, I almost named her Monkey.
Wow.
Before I knew that she was capable of climbing trees.
Oh,
And now I really
Oh.
wish.
oh, do you hear that takeoff?
She's like, get away from my lawn. But so this OCD thing is what they say they look for in us.
This is unreal.
She does not. She will not. You're so close, Boo. You're so close.
You're so close.
I would love to see this. Right?
She got